Okay, this is how we fix the please update from the iOS 14 beta. So when you have this message appear on your phone, what you need to do, just close them and then go to setting and then go to general, scroll down to the very bottom and look for profile iOS 14. What you need to do, you need to remove this profile from your phone. Press on remove profile, then you need to put in your password, then you hit on remove. Let it restart. It will restart your device. As for a beta tester, we will face all kinds of problem on our device. Okay, now your device will restart. Basically, you need to reinstall the beta profile. Just wait for it to start, and then I will put in my password again. Okay, the message will still appear. It's okay. What you need to do, you go close, and then after that you need to reinstall the beta profile. Download. Okay, it will download and you need to click allow. So you need to go back to setting, general, profile, beta profile, and install. So I have to put in my password again, and then install and install. So restart again. Wait for your device to restart. Okay, now you turn on your phone. Okay, you still will get this message. It's okay. What you need to do, go to setting, and then go to general, go to software update, wait for a while, and then just install the new updates. And this is still 14.2. It's okay. Just reinstall the beta software. And this will take a while. Okay, I will pause the video and get back to you guys in a bit. Now it's preparing for update. We just wait for a few more minutes. And you hit on install now. It's installing right now. So it already has updated. So I'm gonna swipe to unlock. Putting my password. Okay, so there you go. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 14.2. Then press continue. and then I will share with Apple. Swipe up, and let me just try again. Unlock. There you go, the moment of truth. No more message to update. I hope you guys like this video. You can comment down below and share with your friends on how to fix this problem. Thank you.